Hi, NHORA chapters, board of directors. So I would like to provide you a video tutorial on how to create registration website to any kind of events. All right. So this video tutorial is applicable to all of the NHORA chapter except for NHORA Santa Clara chapter. Okay. They do have a standalone Club Express CRM. So with that being said, let's go ahead and begin. So first is that go to nora.org and you must log in as you need to log in. Okay. And once you're already logged in, you must have the gear icon or the control panel option. All right. You will see that you're logged in if you can see your name on it on the right upper part of your screen. Okay. Now after you log in, click on the control panel option. All right. And go to website tab here. Okay. Check on my mouse cursor. All right. And then go to website modules here. All right. I highlighted that for you guys. And also from here, go to events. Okay. We're going to click on that. And then click the plus icon, the add. All right. And events. Okay. So what we're gonna do is that we're going to create a sample, right? A sample events. Let's say for the let's go ahead and use this. Nor in the city chapter networking mixer. Okay. Just input the title. Okay. If you do have a short description, it's really up to you guys. So for the category, click on the drop down and then select on your chapter. Since we are creating this for the city chapter, we're gonna select on that. So for the visibility, visible to everyone. So meaning this this event will show in NHORA calendar for both NHORA member and non-member. Okay, visible to everyone. Always make sure that it is selected like this. Okay, date visibility or date visible. All right, we're gonna do it right now. Okay, so there you go. Start date. Let's go ahead and since again this is going to be a test only. Okay, I'm gonna put this on December. Let's do 25. Okay, finish date. So self-explanatory. Start date. Okay. PM. Okay. As you can see here, after you input the information here, okay, for the event contact prompt, let's say this is gonna be me, okay, Jerman Martinez, or let's say Luis Moran. All right. But again, for sample purposes only, I'm gonna use my name. Okay. Here, all right, you will see there are multiple bugs. Okay. You need to put a check mark on show this event on all chapters, calendars. Okay. So just imagine this, guys. So it's like a free promotion. All right. Your event will pop up in whatever kind of in all of our chapter. So as simple as that. Okay. Specify what additional information is needed for this event. Okay. Well, yes, you can put a check mark on formatted description and rules, event contacts, location, registration fees, and attendance tracking. For the peoples that can register, later we're gonna discuss that. Questions, self-explanatory, email confirmation, thank you, something like that for registering into our event. Okay, that will be all. Okay, put a check mark and then click save. Okay, and this is just the beginning. So for method description, click on the pencil icon. Okay, click on that. And then here, this is the part where you can attach the flyer. Okay, but in attaching the flyer, you need to make sure that you are going to resize it. Why? I'm gonna show you why. To attach the flyer, you need to click on insert image here. Kindly check my mouse cursor. All right, click on that, and then let's go ahead and use conference. Yeah. Conference. All right. Let's go ahead and use this as a sample. Okay. I'm gonna select that. All right. But let's go ahead and let's say that your flyers is not yet here in Club Express and you need to upload it. Okay. So what you need to do is click on upload new file. All right. New file, and then um browse it from your computer. Let's say this. Okay. I suggest that the file name is also the same with the title. Why? Because it will be much easier for you guys to locate the flyers, okay, that you're gonna attach. So once you have it there, okay, you can select, and there you go. Okay. Once done, click on this panel is complete and click save. There you go. So what does it looks like? All right. So we want to see if the flyers that you did perfectly fit into the dimension. Okay. Sometimes it will show very big. So that's why you need to resize it. That is somewhere here. Oh, it's good. All right. Go back again. All right. But let's just say that you would like to adjust or just scale down to into a smaller version. Okay. Just click the flyer itself and then look at my mouse cursor. All right. And then you need to drag it. That's how you resize it. Okay. And then once done, once you're already satisfied, okay, put a check mark and this funnel is complete, then click save. Okay. And then for the event contact person, click on my name, that is gonna be me. All right. Click on the pencil icon and then search. Always start with the last name. Okay. Always start with the last name, because if you will search using the first name, it will not show up. Normally, it will not show up. Okay. So always start with the last name. There you go. Okay. Let's say this one. Click select. And then give admin rights. Of course, that's gonna be you guys. If you'll be setting this up. Show email. We don't want to show our email. Why? Because last year or 2022 is that we received a scam email that they're collecting money, that they are pretending that they are board of directors. So we're trying to avoid that, right? We're trying to avoid showing our emails. All right, but we can show our phone number, all right, and mobile phone. Okay, once done, once you already fill this up, click on add. All right, once you're good with this, click on this panel is complete, then click save. Awesome. Now for the location, click again on every time that you're going to edit or input some information, you need to click on the pencil icon. All right. And then here for the location, let's try this. Okay. Self-explanatory, just input the address. San Francisco. Okay. Once you're good with this, again, always put a check mark. Okay, at the bottom part before you click on save. Click on that. There you go. As you can see, at the left side, there are green marks. Green mark means it's already completed, right? Yellow marks still needs to update, all right? So this time, we're gonna do the registration and fees, okay? Again, we're gonna fill this up. So we need to click on the pencil icon again. All right. For the registration, it's always required. We need to collect their email and phone number. Okay. Registration time. I would like people to register today. So there you go. But again, this is just me. It's up to you when you would like to open the registration. All right. So for the time, I would like to have it 2 p.m. Okay. Registrant visibility, no. We don't want to show it to everyone, okay? So registrant type, full name, that is fine. Avoid duplicate registration, always click yes, okay? Capacity, it's up to you. If you would like to have a capacity of 100 or 50, something like that, okay? If you're gonna input a capacity, I suggest to hide it. Okay. The remaining slot, okay, I suggest you hide it. All right. We don't want to we want to have a sense of urgency for those people, right? So again, case to case basis, it's up to you. But in my case, I'm gonna do no. Okay, no capacity. Fees and payment. Let's say this event is free for all, then of course you need to select this. Okay, so meaning everyone who's going to attend doesn't need to pay anything, right? But let's say this event requires some fees. Okay, So we're gonna do that. A fee will be charged for all or part of this event, and payment will be in full in advance only. Immediate payment required? Always yes. Okay. Does the fee change after a certain date? It's up to you guys if you would like to change it. All right. So financial account, master event registration. Okay. Always. Attendance, track attendance. Okay. So we can easily export who are the people that registered into our event. Okay. So once done, again, before you click on save, put a check mark on this panel is complete, then click save. All right. Now, we're gonna do who can register. Okay. This is going to be the payment now. Okay. We're gonna input an amount. Okay. So let's say that this event is for NHORA members only. For NHORA members, that is going to be $45. Okay. For the register type, okay, please emphasize or please pay attention on this. Since we are targeting the members for the $45 for the registrant type, click on the drop down and then select on active members. Okay. And then click add. Now, this time we're gonna do a non-member. For that fee, that's going to be $55. For the registrant type, please pay attention. Click on the drop down and then any non-member. Okay. And then you click on add. There you go. Now, some people will mention that I know I'm a NHORA member, but I cannot but the $45 is not available in my end. It's only showing the non-member, which is the $55. The reason why it happens is because the $45 membership fee will only be visible if they log in NHORA.org. Okay. If they're not logged in, they only get the non-member fee of $55. Okay. So I suggest for everyone who is going to register as a member for any kind of event, they need to log in NHORA.org. That's a must. Okay. There's no exception to the rule. So once done, put a check mark on this panel is complete, then click save. All right. We're one step closer now to finish this. Okay. For the registration questions, we collect their phone number and email. It's up to you if you would like to collect their license number, DRE, and MLS. So it's up to you. So for the question, click on the question on the pencil icon. Add questions. And then just select. Okay. It's gonna be the email. I always put it on the email. That's very important. And then also the phone number. So it's up to you. If you would like to add the chapter, the license number, an MLS number, or the profession or the company that they are working. So it's up to you guys. If this is a must, okay, you can record. So there you go. All right. So as you can see, I'm gonna put a check mark here. This panel is complete, but there's no option to save it here, right? Like the previous option that we did here. So if that happens, normally it happens. So just click on F5 on your keyboard. As you can see, it's yellow here. After I click the F5, it will turn green. Okay. And then for emails, click on the pencil icon and then just input some appreciation message. All right. For the automated reminders, okay, you can also set this up. So automatically send reminder. Normally we do this 1 day before the event or 2 days before the event. So click on that, then send on, select a particular date. So remember that when I set this up, this information, I set up the event on 25. So I'm gonna set up a reminder on 23. Okay, and also on 24 and 23. All right. Once you're satisfied with this click on this panel is complete. Then this time, click on save. Okay. Excellent. Now, let's go ahead and see now what we did. All right. Here, let's go to December. Here. Okay. Click here. I'm gonna click on register now. Okay. Register now. And then as you can see, it's not giving me option for the $55 for non-member. Why? Because I'm logged in. Okay. But let's just say that I'm not logged in. Okay. I'll go to events. And then go to month of December. September, October, November, and December. Okay. December. Okay. Here. NHORA networking mixer. It is showing the fee is here, but after I click on register now, as you can see, it's giving me options to pay for the $55 because I'm not logged in. Okay. Let's say that someone tell you that they're a member and they are supposed to have an account. If that happens, we need to verify that in Club Express if they already have an account. Okay. So if we're gonna do that to check if they really have an account, okay, go to control panel. All right. And then people tab, admin function, people manager. Let's say Luis Moran would like to register as a member. Okay, but the only option that he is seeing is to pay the non-member ticket. Okay, but Luis Moran is claiming that he know that he is a member, so we need to confirm that. So in order to do that, we just need to have the first name and last name. Okay. So here, Moran. Yeah, let's do it. Let's and search for both member or and non-member. For the member status, you can do like this, active, since we're just checking for a member, right? Or here, then click search. Voila, there you go. Therefore, we already confirmed that Luis Moran already have an active membership. So what we're gonna do now is simply provide the um, this their username, okay, and also the we can also provide the email address that they use when they set up the account, okay. To check their email address, okay, click here on the bio and just simply copy that. So what's gonna happen next? So we already provided their information. We already confirmed that they're already an active member. So we advise them to reset their password. Okay. To reset their password is from here, click on member login and then enter the username and the password. Okay. And there is an option here, forget my username / password. So this is very basic because it will only ask for the email address and then the first name of that person. Okay. I'm not gonna proceed. Okay. But let's say we fill this up. Okay. And I click OK. Luis will receive an email with a temporary password. Okay. With a temporary password, they can input it here, and after they log in, it will immediately ask for the to change into permanent password. So that's how it works. So this is the full video instruction, oversimplified, and how to create registration website for any kinds of your events. If you have any questions, just email me, and thank you very much. Thank you.